In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us learn irregular forms of verbs and their use in sentences. Part 1, B. Number 1 word is drive. Second form, drove. Third, driven. Fourth, driving. Sentences. I drive my car myself. He drove the car himself when his driver got tired. He has driven his car for 10 years. They have been driving old cars for many years. Number 2, buy. Second form, bought. Third, bought. Fourth, buying. Sentences. I buy new books every month. We bought a new house last year. They have bought something to eat. She has been buying clothes since morning. Number 3, sell. Second form, sold. Third, sold. Fourth, selling. Sentences. You can sell your products. She sold her old shoes. They have sold their old house. They are selling their pictures. Number 4, catch. Second form, caught. Third, caught. Fourth, catching. Sentences. You can catch fishes from the clear water. I caught a fish with a hook. He has caught many fishes. They have been catching fishes for an hour. Number 5, feel. Second form, felt. Third, felt. Fourth, feeling. Sentences. I feel better after taking rest. He felt pain in his feet. I have felt some change in his behavior. She has been feeling well after taking medicine. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.